The purpose of the field day was to showcase different forms of technologies that farmers can use to enhance their production and productivity. And so today they were able to see, among others, kitchen gardening for enhancing food security and nutrition security. They were able to see the proper way of planting green grams, and they were able to see the way to do soil and water conservation through terraces. We could see them excited learning new things, and so we believe that they are going to be able to teach farmers where they come from.
Kutokana na hayo mafunzo ya leo, kutokana na Restore Africa, nimefurahia sana. Hayo mafundisho nitayachukua nipeleke nyumbani nikayafanyie kwa shamba langu.
Traditionally, farmers were being told to plant trees, and they will not plant. In fact, they will cut what they have in order to sell and either make charcoal or sell or do whatever they can to survive. And then as people continue, they realize if we don't support the farmers with livelihoods, support them to make something, to make money quickly, as well, they'll never take care of the trees. And so this project is very well balanced, because the partnerships that we have are looking for both. One is supporting the livelihoods. That's why we are going. We are working on bringing crops like green grams that take only 3 months. We have got other crops, other quick crops that can support. Then we have things like pottery. Then we are graduating to cassava, which is 6 months. Then to trees like cashew nuts that will take a year or more. So that is what will help.
We are able to achieve our target, our objective for the field day. We are able to marshal farmers, to bring the farmers, pass the information of the program about restoring the environment, about tree planting, about livelihood and resilience programs, about the carbon credits. And so we were able to bring all the partners to be able to pass the skill and the information to the farmers, those we targeted and invited.